Mic check 1 2 1 2. So we are back.
We're back, brothers.
With another video. So we're
here.
doing Prizm. No, fam. So we're doing some Prizm 2022 hobby box. 2 autos. We did a 2023 and we scored a gold. You can't see me, John Cena, as you can see him right there.
I can't see him.
Number 3 out of 10. So we figured, well, let's try this. We got this at a card show. They're pretty affordable now, so they're not killers. So let's see. Hopefully we don't get stiffed on the autos, but you never know. So let's open this bad boy up.
Debut edition.
Oh, debut edition.
WWE.
Alright, so I'm just going to take the packs out. Not going to bother. We'll just put it in the box there. Here, you guys get rid of that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, we'll do it in order though. Let's put it here. Yeah. Yeah. Good old Prizm. And now that this stuff is pretty reasonable, we'll definitely keep our eye out for more product.
Kenny Williams. Angelo Dawkins. Stevie Turner. Chad Gable.
Walter
before he became Gunter.
Oh, Trish.
Drew McIntyre.
Oh, Kevin Nash. Put him in the Yeah Buddy pile.
Almost. Malcolm Beans. Oh, God, this guy.
This is rookie card.
On this one.
And
he may be number
this
2. Should check him.
Yeah, I'll check him later. Alright, let's go to the next. Oh, the Ultimate Warrior. Let's bag it.
Ultimate
Julius Creed, T-Bar, Reggie, Lash Legends, Rampage Brown. Wow. Oh, Candace. NEX. Next. NXT.
So right.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, Buddy Pal. These different colors. Kofi. Nah. No, he's not. Alright. So.
Commander.
Olaya. Haha, Rikishi.
Shirai. Montez. Emilio.
Mackenzie.
Wow, boy.
Batista,
the animal.
About to hit a young Dolph Ziggler with the crazy spot buster.
Otis. It's NXT guy.
Sensation.
Oh, Grayson Waller. Okay, that's not
good.
too bad.
All right, rookie card.
Yeah.
Auto. Is it numbered?
I don't know. Nope. All right, so bag and tag that, right?
Let's hope the next one's a good legend.
Yeah, definitely. Dun 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 dun.
Or even somebody.
Tony D'Angelo, Bobby Lashley.
He's the guy that does that nice elbow when he does the crossover in between the legs.
Shelton.
The springboard. Remember I showed you, Steve?
I can't remember now.
Edge.
Tyler Bates.
Otis.
Mommy.
T-Bar. Nope.
Gulak.
And then John Cena.
Prismatic entrance.
The magical entrance. Alright, let's go. Alright.
Asuka. Dewdrop.
Dewdrop. Ray.
Mysterio.
Oh, that's that Undertaker card, yep. We've seen this card.
Raquel Gonzalez. Dusty, baby. Lacey Evans.
Oh,
Take it.
Silver Prism. All right, let's bag and tag that.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, numbered.
Oh.
30 out of
299. Just bag it. Yeah, Roman Reigns, fearless. The fearless Roman Reigns.
This color.
Yeah.
And Hall of Fame. Auto.
Electra
The
Lopez.
legend.
Natalia.
Oh, there's this dude. Sonya Deville.
Roderick Strong.
Primate. Oh, man.
Madcap Moss.
Raquel Gonzalez. And then Seth Rollins. Seth freaking Rollins. Alright, let's go. See what we get. Still one auto chasing. I don't know. We didn't get really that many numbered cards. Just two. Oh, there's the rock bottom.
Rock.
The Rock says.
Yeah, Stone Cold with it.
Yeah, hitting Stone Cold with that one.
Mark Coffey.
Oh, China Women's Champ.
Jay Uso.
Uso. Oh.
Mommy.
Silver. Mark Andrews. Oh, numbers 64 to 149. Just bag. And then Fearless. Alright. 5 more packs to go. Again, we are hooked on this product, so you're going to see a lot more of it. So hit that like, hit that subscribe. Austin Theory, John Cena, the FU. Who used to do that? Oh, he did, right? He used to do that, yeah, the
I was
FU.
for the attitude adjustment.
Oh, come on.
Because they want PG, you know?
Gotcha. Charlotte Flair doing a special flip.
Somebody with a moonsault. Oh wow, 2 moonsaults back to back.
Dominic
Mysterio. Triple H. Got some
Old school. Oh, Stacy Keebler.
Oh, the
that's a
Messiah.
nice freak around. You see
Oh, fam.
See numbered? This one?
Prismatic
I
entrance.
know.
Mommy.
It's not, but still. Bag and tag it,
Bag and
kid.
tag it, dog.
It's the Undertaker. I like that card. Oh, man. Alright. What a gimmick. His gimmick lasted his entire career, dude.
Legendary.
Sick.
And he evolved too.
Yeah.
That one became the American badass.
Yeah, that was cheese, though.
Nah, it was alright.
It was okay, but still, like, it was still, but he was still the Undertaker. Yo, easy, fam, easy. You don't want to meet the tombstone, fam. Oh, bang.
Foley.
Oh, there he is. Happy. Oh,
Dana Brooke.
Oh, here's the auto. Oh no. Classic DDP, fam.
Down his page. It's DDP.
Nice.
Nice.
DDP Yoga himself. Nice.
That's a good legend again.
That is a good legend. We take that. We take
Yeah,
that.
you asked for a legend and you got one.
Got one. Yeah. We'll take it. Let's see if we get some nice numbered or gold card.
Gold card. Come on.
Randy.
Coffee.
Give us a Macho Man gold.
A-Kid.
A-Kid. Oh, Demon.
He's good. Mace in your face. Oh, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Oh,
Giving it to Kane, man. Giving it to Kane. Oh,
Drew McIntyre. Cracked ice.
Oh, look.
Oh, Rhea Ripley. Mommy.
Oh, nice.
Goldberg, prismatic entrance.
Yeah, that's a nice Goldberg. Whoa. All right, let's go.
Dolph Ziggler. Mendoza, Liv Morgan.
Oh, there she is.
Bailey.
Mama Bliss.
Kevin Owens. Here's somebody with the bullfrog. Sami Zayn.
Bull.
Shinsuke.
Oh, Grayson
Grayson
Waller.
Waller.
Rookie.
Oh,
gold! Oh, man.
Ah, man.
Mansoor.
He's not even in the company anymore.
Oh, man. 85 out of 99.
Yeah.
But still, let's bag it.
Hopefully he goes somewhere else and does great things.
An Edge. Damn. And golds. Does it say the odds on the gold?
Yeah, it's rare.
It's rare, right? Of course it is. Of course it is. It's not one per box, right?
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments what it is. I'm not going to look at that small print. I can't see it anyways.
I thought it was Stone Cold for a second.
Yeah.
Oh, Matt Riddle.
Eddie.
Guerrero. Fog splash of his own.
Yeah. Oh, the Hulkster.
Why couldn't it be that one?
I know, right? 1 out of 100.
Right.
Oh, that would have been sick. Definitely bag and tag that up. That's my boy. MVP. Oh, Ray.
Wait, is that one numbered?
No.
Oh, that's the last pack color.
Yeah.
That's a red.
All right. All right. All right. So these are the hitters. And our two, so we got these two. Pretty dope. There he is.
Waller,
Rookie.
Sensations auto.
And then DDP. Sick. And then obviously we got the Hogan. Big Hogan fans. The gold.
So,
And then this right here is numbered. These are numbered cards. So,
Yep.
Ultimate
Ultimate.
Warrior. Nothing with that. But hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will catch you at the next one.